Hello and welcome to this premiere. This is Vikas Kaivan, a trader, trainer, and mentor for every option trader. Right? So, if you want to trade in options with the help of Algo, then this is the very good premiere and video for you if you are serious about the option hedging technique and strategies. Right? So, today I'm going to tell you how you can deploy your strategies, and what is my strategy performance and how a retailer can deploy that strategy. If you have investment of rupees 55,000 or 50,000 also can be done. So how you can use that margin and how you should book a profit, or what is the options you have available when you trade in the market. Okay, so let's get started. Let me share my screen over here. Okay, so you can check here. This is the live market. I am also trading in market, but all trades are happening by the algo, so I don't have any tension to keep watching the market, right? I just have to set the rules, and let's market to play its game, right? So let's see how we can do a trade along with the algo, and we'll tell you everything in this. Okay, so first thing, if anyone don't have account for algo, you just have to go to this link, vikaskaivan.com/tradetron. Okay, the link is given in description. You can check the description, right? And also, when you come on this page, just click on start trading now, right? And sign up. This is the sign up, right? This sign up. You just have to fill your details here: full name, email ID, mobile number, country, state, and you have to reset your password. Okay, and your algo account will be ready within 1 minute. Okay, so just click on sign in and log into your account. I'm logging to my account now. You can check here. Just sign in, verify, and sign in. Okay, this is the first process. Now I'll tell you what is my strategy and how you can find my strategy on TradeTron. Okay, so for that you just need to click on these strategies and go to the marketplace. When you go to the marketplace, you have tons of strategies in front of you. You can subscribe any and start your trading. If you cannot make the strategy, right, you can take anyone's. But if you want to take my strategy, just type here Vikas Kaivan, that's my name. Okay, and click on search. So my strategy will be there, and I will explain you in this strategy how you can deploy, what is the step you have to taken after live deployment of my strategy, and what is the benefit of that. Okay, so first strategy, if you are doing live trading, or you want a simple strategy of writing the call and put, then you should subscribe this strategy plus, right? This is the strategy which you need to subscribe, right? First, VRG simple trade, and I just explained you in this strategy only, right? So when you subscribe this strategy, and when you click on the strategy, you will get this description of the strategy. Okay, so let me explain. Those who are trading with me or with the help of mine, they can get very good knowledge about this. How? Okay, so let's take, now this is the strategy. Okay, VRG simple short. So this is very simple strategy, but I have done some homework in that. I regularly, on daily basis, I reset this strategy and strategy levels. Okay, if you find in the market, there are strategies like straddle. You can do a straddle or strangle, right? You can do straddle or strangle, right? So straddle and strangle. Straddle means sell at the money call and put, right? Strangle means sell OTM call and put, right? But in this, what happened if the market is going one side, right? If market is going one side, then you cannot get that trend benefit. right? So for getting the trend benefit and all, I have developed this strategy, because if there is a trend negative as per my trading levels, so you will get profit within 1 hour, right? Within 1 hour we will get profit in this, and I'm going to prove to you. I'll show you the live results also, right? Because I'm recording this video on live market, right? So VRG simple short. So what is this? This strategy will give you the flexibility of directional market. This will work in directional. Also, it will give you the theta DK benefit, theta benefit, right? Means premium DK benefit will be there always, right? And in this strategy, what I have parameters I have used was the stop loss and target. The stop loss is minus 1200. Means if your position is going in loss, right? This is the SL for the strategy. And this is automatically set, right? This is automatically set. And if profit, so profit, it depends on you, right? Because I have said the profit booking timing is 3:15 p.m. there, right? Till 3:15. If you stay till 3:15, then profit will be booked, whatever will be the profit. But my suggestion is to you, because see, if you want to book a 500 rupees, or somebody else want to book a 1000 rupees, or somebody else want to book a like 2000 rupees, so it depends on them, because this strategy have very good potential, right? It can give you a 3000 rupees per day also, but that's your premium DK should be there, and everyone can't stay till 3:15 p.m., right? So you have that option that you can exit from this strategy whenever you want, right? So how you can do that, right? So this is the stop loss, this is the exit time, right? This is exit time for this strategy. And also it has a trailing stop loss, trailing SL, right? So trailing SL has maintained at 800 rupees. It means that whenever your profit goes to 800 rupees, right? Let me show you the live. Let me show you some live trades, right? When your profit goes to 800 rupees, your stop loss, your existing stop loss was minus 1200, that comes to zero, right? That comes to zero. Now you can see here, okay, this is the strategy, and this strategy, this client is doing this strategy from 2nd December, right? And from 2nd December, what is his profit? He earned more than 10,000 rupees, right? More than 10,000 rupees in just 13 days. And this is the live deployment. You can check here. He's doing with the Profit Mart, right? He's doing with the Profit Mart, right? So what exactly this strategy works? Now you can check here. First trade of which date? You can see here 15 December. That's today. Okay. The trade happened in trade entry done at 9:20:07 a.m. and he exited the position at 9:56, right? That's the universal exit. He exited the profit with, right, 751. Also he did second trade, and in second trade also he made 751 rupees. So around today he made 1500 rupees almost, right? So this is the strategy, right? So I just want to tell you, if you want to exit from the strategy, like this is for 1x, if you have more than like 2 lakhs of rupees margin, then you can do little better in this. Okay, so how you can do that? Let me tell you another account, because I am handling some accounts, so I have already access of my clients, right? So they have given me the authority for trading and managing their accounts. So I'm just managing their account, right? The profit and loss all from the client side, right? So you can check here, we are the simple short, and he did first trade. You can see here, first trade. The time of execution is 9:20, right? And he exited. Universal exit happened at 10:15. In this strategy, he went a profit of rupees 800, right? So his stop loss was come at 0, and he didn't anything, and his stop loss hit, because market today, you can see here, market in the morning given a downside rally, right, of 200 point. You can check here. You can check here, right? This was the downfall in the morning, right? This is the down, right? So in this rally, their SL, their trailing SL, not SL, a trailing SL hit, right? So if you are using this strategy, then you have an option for this strategy. You can exit or stay in, right? Let me tell you, you can see here, right? Now they have shorted of 50-50 quantities, right? This is the current trade, and current profit is, you can check here, 1100, or that is fluctuating, right? 1100. So if you want to book this profit, then what you can do, right? Just go here on the three dotted, you can check, and just click on exit. When you click on exit, this position will be exit, and you can see that in your account, right? In the broking terminal, you can see that the position has been exited, right? You can see here some profits also, right? The market is covered, now, but still the profit is 3,200 rupees in this account. And this value, and in his account value, you can check here, it's same, right? So I just want to tell you that if you are doing this strategy, then what you need to manage, you can manage your position. If you want to exit, you can exit. If you want to stay in the position, you can stay in position. And whenever you want to exit, this is the options for you, right? And when you don't want to trade, then also you have an option. You can pause the strategy, right? So this is, and you can check here, this is also a real account, and this is this trader have invest around 3 lakh rupees, right? And in this strategy, he is also deploying this strategy from 2nd December, and you can check the profit what he booked here, right? 19,000 rupees. And in 11 trade, he have only the 8th trade in loss, and this 10th means 200 rupees and 1100, only 1300 rupees loss, and 1900 rupees you can see a profit, right? So you can see what is the potential of this strategy, and everybody can make this strategy. You can subscribe this strategy and trade accordingly, right? Because this is the very good strategy for Premium DK. Those who want a safe strategy, there is no safe in market, but little bit a confidence strategy. You can get a confidence by doing this, right? So if you have any difficulties regarding this, then you can ask me on WhatsApp number, right? And if you want to make your strategy, then also that option available with you. Just go to vikas-com and find the details for my course, right? So if you have any difficulties in this, and I just want to tell you that this strategy is free till this month only, right? From the next month, the Tradetron is going to increase the charges, and every creator in this marketplace are going to charge you for this, right? Because somebody already charging a 20%, right? Somebody giving you free, right? My strategy is currently free. There is no charge for you, right? But after, as you know, the margin has been increased, and the strategy deployment cost is also increased, right? So there will be some charges from January 1st. Okay. So let's do this strategy. This very good strategies, and everybody can do this. Okay. So if you have any query and any doubt, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. Okay. So thanks a lot. Bye-bye.